Welcome to AOYIN, Candles Supplier. Hebei AOYIN Trading Company Limited, established in 2005, is a wholly owned private enterprise. Our main products are candles. We are located in Shijiazhuang, Hebei Province, with convenient transportation access. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Africa, Americas, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East. Our company has our own importing and exporting license. Plant covers an area of 10,000 square meters, 200 employees. Research and department continue making technical improvements, new products, new designs, new model. As a home decor candles manufacturer, our products have passed CE and ISO certification. We have applied for many patents, our own brand and registered trademarks. We have made OEM and ODM according to customers' order for years. Our design developers has more than 10 years working experience in candles field. All design engineers are working tirelessly to perfect our products to make it always in the leading level. Our main products including white candle, tea light candle, pillar candle, scented glass jar candle, art candle, DIY candle making kit, and so on. We desire to solve two business, provide standardized products. Core competencies is high-cost performance. Through the application of candles products specializes in positioning, the candles products are more widely applied to all over the world, into every household, in the hope of better future.
Welcome to AOYIN Candle Factory. We can provide different kind of candles, like a white stick candle, tea light candles, and etc. candles, which can meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.